Welcome viewers to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is fine. This is my YouTube channel about basic statistics. You can subscribe it to get beneficial videos about the subject of statistics. Today we start with lecture number 2. This lecture covers the area of discrete data and continuous data. We start with discrete data. Discrete data is a type of quantitative data which have discrete integers or whole numbers. The important point is the discrete data set depends on counts. In other words, we can say that any type of data which is obtained by counting is called discrete data. Examples of discrete data are number of students in a school, number of books in a library, number of players in a team, number of animals in a zoo, number of players in any team, number of fish in a pond. This type of all examples which are countable covers the area of discrete data set. Now we move towards continuous data. It is the type of quantitative data that can be measured on scale. It can take numeric values within finite and infinite range of possible values. Continuous data set can be broken down into fraction or decimals. So the important point to recognize continuous data, it is measurable on scale, and continuous data also has fractions or decimal points. Here are some examples of continuous data: age of a person, height of a person, weight of a person, temperature, time, and etc. Now we move towards the significant distinction between discrete data set and continuous data set. Number one, number one, discrete data set has clear place between data points. Because discrete data set have whole numbers, so there is a clear space between the data points. On the other hand, continuous data falls within continuous range. Because continuous data have decimal points and also fractions, so it falls in continuous range. Number 2, discrete data is countable while continuous is measurable. It means every type of data that is obtained by counting is called continuous, and every type of data which is obtained through measurement, it is called continuous data. Discrete data set have distinct values because it is whole numbers, while continuous data set have values within range. Discrete data, the graph of discrete data set represented by bar graph while continuous data represented by histogram. Tabular form of discrete data set is represented by a single value, which is called ungrouped frequency distribution, while tabular for continuous data set indicates against a group of values that is called grouped frequency distribution. Discrete data set constitute non-overlapping or non-mutually exclusive classifications like 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 15 to 19. These classes are non-overlappings, while continuous data overlap are mutually exclusive. For example, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. 10 is also included in first class and 10 is also included in second class. So this represent overlap. So this is the example of continuous data. Graph of discrete data set represented distinct points and remain unconnected, while in the graph of continuous function the points are connected with unbroken lines.